I was able to get my channel monetized in one video. I was able to make $7,000 on Stan Store. I was able to make almost $5,000 on one video. I've made more money off of this platform, really off of the platform. And I'll leave here how much money I've made on YouTube in 2 years that I've been working on this platform. Let's talk about you and your money. I had to get comfortable because some people don't like talking about money. It makes them uncomfortable, and I don't know why. So grab a tea, grab a coffee, grab your emotional support pillow. Whatever you need to do in order to have a conversation about how to earn money on social, specifically YouTube. One of my longtime subscribers asked me, how do I use tags in order to get paid on YouTube? So I told her I'd make a video. And if you're still waiting to become fully monetized on a YouTube partner program, and it seems like you're waiting for ages, just like we're waiting for the gas prices to come down, oh my goodness, and you want a better plan to supplement your income, then this video is going to be for you, because today we're going to be talking about not only how to tag products to get yourself paid. I'm going to be sharing with you, I think it's 4 tips on how you can get paid on YouTube before you start making money on YouTube through the partnership program. I'm not going to waste your time and tell you about the YouTube partner program, how many watch hours you need, how many subscribers you need. There's plenty of videos about that. But we're going to be talking about once you reach the first threshold, when you become a partner in the YouTube shopping program. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm the realist Riva. The first thing that we're going to go over is what my viewer asked for. How do I tag my products and how do I get paid? It's pretty simple. I want you to stay tuned for a quick message from today's sponsor, Nexus Clips. I know for certain you are tired of editing all of your long form video and repurposing them to make shorts. And you want to know why I know you're tired? Because I used to do that myself. I use a smart AI tool called Nexus Clips in order to transfer my long form videos into short form videos just like that. This is not a quick hack just to get yourself some temporary views. This is a part of my long-term strategy in order to make my channel consistent and not a consistent headache, because I no longer have to do all the tedious work of editing long form to short form. Anytime I want to make clips, all I have to do is upload my long form videos into Nexus Clips software, and this smart AI tool is able to find the best moments in my long form videos and gives me 5 to 8 viral ready clips that gives me a virality score, so I don't have to guess what video might perform well and what videos may not. If I don't get a virality score over 80% or so, I don't upload that video. The virality score takes the guesswork out of your work when it comes to knowing what might work and get you more views and get your videos discovered on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or even Instagram. Not only does it find the best moments, it centers your face in the middle of the screen exactly where it needs to be. And if you're a podcaster, you're able to have multi-screen layering. And say you have a guest, you're able to have both guests on your screen without you actually having to do that anymore. Do you think big creators like Mr. Beast or Ali Abdaal or their teams edit their short clips from scratch? Absolutely not. They don't have time to. Not to mention putting captions on screen, titles, and banners. Nexus Clips software does all that tedious work for you, so you don't have to. If you're ready to save yourself some time, some guesswork, and some coins, I'm going to be leaving you a 10% discount code right here and down in the description so that you can check out Nexus Clips for yourself. I, for one, should have been using this feature more on some of my videos, especially the vlogs when I use products. You guys have seen my vlogs. You've seen me doing my hair. You've seen me washing my face, putting on makeup. But guess what? I didn't tag my products on the videos. That is missed opportunity for some revenue. I'm going to be leaving some of the instructions and directions on how to do all of this as you're making the video. All you have to do is search and scroll for the products that you are using in your video, and you can tag them right on the screen. The little shop button will show up on your video each time you're using a product. And what I would do specifically is speak out what I'm using, but make it natural. If you say the product that you're using, the voice recognition will pick up on the product and you're able to tag it that way. A better use of your time is down in the description on the timestamps. You can leave the products that you're using on each one of the timestamps down in your description. That way, for certain, the products and the goods that you're using are showing up in your video at that specific mark on your video. And then if someone purchases your product, you're able to go into the Earn tab over in Studio, and you can see how much commission you are earning. Now, for me, because I didn't do it when I first put up all of those other videos, all the other vlogs, I do have an opportunity to go back in and edit the video and put them down in the timestamps and then select the products. That's the nitty gritty of it. Tag the products, put it down in the description, you're good to go. Before I talk about two more ways of how you're going to get paid on YouTube, I want to go back to the affiliate program or YouTube shop. We all know that you can get paid on YouTube shop. The earnings might be a little bit minuscule, but there are multiple ways to get affiliate checks when it comes to YouTube. Now, this is a strategy that I would use if I was an affiliate marketer on YouTube. I will optimize all of the affiliate programs like Amazon, Walmart, or even partnering with other YouTube content creators who may have a good product or service that you can promote and get a percentage. A couple of my fellow content creators and I partnered up, and we were able to bring more clients to both of our business and get more awareness in front of our products by partnering with one another. You guys may have heard me talk about these people before. Barnabas Lawson, he has a great AI video content creation program over on School, and I'll leave his channel and link down below. And see the actress. She helps you to get paid by her booked and paid community. I was able to partner with her as an affiliate and also teach in her community, and she gave me a little bit of kickback. So that's a great way in order to get yourself some more revenue if you're a content creator. Another way you can make money on YouTube before full monetization is through memberships. And no, you don't have to only rely on YouTube membership program in order to do so. You can start right now on the School community. When I was on School, which I loved, or the Stand Store, but we're going to talk about School today, it was only $9 to start your own community and have a membership charge with it. Now, it's not just about trying to get money off of people. That's not what we're doing. You should have a product, good, or service that you're offering to clients. You have a specialty, you have knowledge, you have experience, and people want it. My question to you is, are you marketing in it? Are you thinking from a business perspective or only a content creator perspective? That's my question for you. No one can market you better than yourself. So start your membership program today and monetize your own community, but not only do it in a way that has profitability, make sure you do it ethically. There's so many scammers on YouTube and socials nowadays promoting products and selling things that they have never succeeded in, and you don't want to be that person. As soon as I got monetized and I started to understand how YouTube worked, how social media worked, I started a consulting and coaching business. And while it was great and it was wonderful and I was given a lot of value, it can burn you out. Make sure you have a plan, make sure you have the time and a mental capacity, and make sure you have a team, even if it's an AI team or 1 to 2 additional team members to help you out. Maybe someone that helps to do your coaching, your scheduling, or your intake. That's how you're going to make sure you're going to succeed as a coach or a mentor when it comes to membership or even cohorts. A cohort is nothing but a group of people getting together to learn something that you're teaching. And guess what? You can get paid for that. I'm so glad you stayed to the end because now you get the bonus. And all those people who clicked off the video, they're not going to get this secret sauce. Brand deals are the bread and butter when it comes to really making money on YouTube. Now, I do like cohorts and memberships and communities. Brand deals are the thing that's going to get you paid. Now, here's my tip for you. Make sure that you're always searching through your promotions and through your spam email accounts, because that's where my deal landed. And I don't know how many months that deal was in my inbox going unnoticed. I had no idea it was there. I probably was missing out on multiple dollars every month that I had not signed a contract. So, lesson learned there. I've had quite a few brand deals over the last 2 years. It's been a great supplement to my income. But I will say this, with brand deals comes brand new stressors. You have to make sure that you have a good content creation foundation before you start working with brands, because brands are going to expect their content. Yes. Some brands are better than others. They're more flexible, and some are not. Some are very picky when it comes to what you need to say on screen. There's syllabi, just like when you're in college, you have to do and say certain things, or when you're writing paper, it has to be a certain way. That's how brand deals work too. They have a strategy, they're trying to make money, and there's widgets and digits that they're trying to meet. My suggestion to you is make sure when you have a brand deal, you check for the legitimacy of it. Just don't open every link that shows up in your promo box or in your spam box, because a lot of the spam is actually spam. And a lot of the deals that you think is a brand deal is actually scams. What I like to do is check for the spelling in the email. If there's something misspelled or the grammar is off, then that's a telltale sign that that brand is a scam. I also like to look at the email address to verify that it's an email address from the company that's requesting my services. If it's not, it's probably a bot. And the last thing, which is the most important thing that I like to do, if I've ran it through ChatGPT or Gemini or AI to check for validity, I ask the company or the person to hop on a Zoom call where I can interact with the actual representative and I'm able to verify their credentials virtually on a camera. Once I know that they're a real person and not a bot or a scam, then we get into contract negotiation. We settle on how much content I'm required to make, and then we have a deal, people. And that's how you get paid with brand deals. But a key thing I suggest is to make sure that your audience is ready to be monetized. When you have so many mentions or promos in your content, then sometimes it could wear your audience out. That part I know. I'm going to leave you some resources right here for you to scout for your own brand deals. When I was coaching, these were some of the companies I was able to hook up my clients with so that they can find work. It's kind of like gig work for content creators. You make yourself a profile, you go search for some work, and if they accept you and you accept them, boom, you have yourself a deal and you have a little extra paycheck for that month. That's how you're able to get paid on YouTube before YouTube starts to pay you through the partnership program. I hope I was able to bring you some value and hopefully some coins in your pocketbooks and in your wallets. And if you do end up securing a brand deal or you get some affiliate marketing, make sure you shout me out in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And make sure you have your bell notification set to all so that you don't miss out on my valuable content that I hope that serves you well. I'll see you next week on the next video. Bye-bye.